Paunahin nyo to. Wait. Naghintay kayo. Paunahin nyo sila. LTG, LTG. Okay, goods. LTG, LTG. Step up. Drop. Oh, space Yuri. Tama na sila. Okay, mabilis yung mga yan. Okay, go. Okay. Wrong line. Woohoo! Nice! Drop! Another drop!
Come on. Good to see you.
Kanan, LTG. Okay, go Yuri. Holy crap, antik na. Trap. Whew, nice. Not for me. Nice. Drop. Nice, Yuri. Oh! You're good? You're good? You're good? Huwag ka tumayo agad. You good? I see your teeth.
My teeth are fine, it's my nose.
Patingin, patingin. Ay, shit. Tangina kasi lapad. Sorry, guys.
I'm fine. This is my nose.
I know. Tanggalin mo yung helmet mo.
Why?
Tanggalin mo, titingnan natin.
Okay.
Ito ba? Masakit to?
No.
Bakit dumugo?
It's lit on it.
Oo nga.
No, I'm fine. See?
Ang bilis-bilis mo. Wala sa mo.
Yeah?
Okay, good.
Okay.
Wait up.
Teka lang, si Boobs.
Yes, sorry. Sorry, I don't want.
Yuri, saglit.
Wait. Yeah, go.
Stop!
Go.
Okay. Roots. Ay, putang ina. Drop. Ah, close, shit. Ano dyan? Ha? Ha? Pauwi na, close na lahat ng trail? Close na pala lahat, let's go. 5 o'clock. Wala na eh. Close na daw lahat ng trail eh.
That's the only thing about it. There's something like it.
Oh yeah, it is all cold. Damn.
What time is it? Hindi, 5 pa lang, ibig sabihin. Why? Thought it's up to 7:30 yung trail. Tagi na. Nakakaparit na. Tumurot pa eh. Ako nakita ko malayo. Naka-record din ako. Ang tunay ng dating eh. Okay lang sana kung yung skinny na yun eh hindi naka-elevate. Eh naka-elevate eh. Fucking all close! Eh, meron mabilis eh. Kaya nga. Pinaka-close ni Carol. Picture tayo dito.
Oh yeah.
Yuri, picture tayo dito.
We didn't take a single picture at the top.
Yeah, because we just had fun. Diretso yung
Mud
gulong.
in my mouth.
Diretso yung gulong. Ganun po pala.
It was all supposed to be low to the ground. No risk, they said. Bang.
Oh, Boobs! Yung request ni Louie. Oh, batiin mo daw. Shout out.
By the way, ano ito sabihin mo?
Shout out daw eh.
Shoutout kay Louie nga pala. Paposta lang ni Ron yung ano.
Saglit.
Yo, I think this is my number one.
This is the new number 1 daw, bro.
My number one.
This is the new number 1, Silver Star.
Like, the berms, oh man.
Ganito sa ano eh, sa panorama. Pero mas mataas yung sa panorama. Yung,
Oo, manggagaling to.
ewan ko pa, Hells Bells.
Igagap mo yung ano.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, dinidikdik yung ano namin.
Let's go!
Okay. Woohoo! Wala yung pedal, wala sa pedal ng puta. Slow. Close talaga lahat. At least tira na rin natin LTG. Nakita natin iba. So that's a wrap up. We did full Superstar, full Jedi Mind Trick, a little bit of Shasham, and a little bit of LTG. Dahil close na yung LTG, yung ending, kinapos ng oras. Pero ba't lalayo ka pa? Dito na. Magse-session ba siya? Baka magse-session. Pedal kick. Kasi, ay hindi, na-loose pedal mo, di ba? Na-loose pedal mo. Tinipi. Takabot pa kasi papitik. Ulit yung dalawa eh. Tanga. Ba't dito pa kayo doon?
Pupunta na po sa hotel? Pwede din?
Yeah, wala nang pupunta. Ikaw, mag-watch tayo doon. Yeah. Let's go watch.
At the race.
Yeah, dito sa kaliwa. Dito tayo manood. Dito, sa kaliwa, ayan o. Saan ka ba mapupunta? Ayan na. Let's watch a little bit.
Bilis ko nila.
Of course, pump.
All right, race fans, we are into our time qualifying here at the Silver Star Crankworx Summer Series stop. Riders are going to be putting down a time.
20 seconds.
We'll take those rankings, build our ladders, and get to head-to-head racing. So if you are racing, head on up, get in line at the start. Time